Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to force quit an app on Mac. So I'm going to share only two simple ways. First thing is we can go to this dock, and within the dock you can select any application that you want to close. For example, I want to close this Note app. So what I can do, I can right click on it and it will give me option which says quit. Now instead of quit, I want to force quit. So what I can do is I can just press the option key on the keyboard and it will automatically turn the option into force quit. Now simply selecting that, it will automatically close the Note app. So this was the simple way. The other way you can go to this Apple logo, and here you would be able to see the option which says force quit. Just select that and it will open this force quit application window where you can choose whatever the application you want to force quit. Like for example, I want to close this music app. So I can just go select that and then hit on force quit and confirm force quit. So it will automatically close that application. So these were the two simple ways to force quit any application, whether it is stuck or freeze or whatever it happened, just go and force quit and it will automatically close. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.